Hey there, Snapchatters. Welcome back to our channel, where we share the latest tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we're going to discuss a topic that many of you have been asking about: how to change who can see your cameos in Snapchat ads. If you want to customize your privacy settings and control who views your personalized cameos in ads, this full guide is for you. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow ghost icon, either on your home screen or in your app drawer, and tap to open it. Step 2. Once you're inside the Snapchat app, tap on the account icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. In the account settings, you'll find a gear icon. Tap on it to access the Snapchat settings menu. Step 4. Now, scroll down through the settings options until you find Cameos. Tap on it to enter the Cameos settings. Step 5. Within the Cameos settings, you'll see the option See My Cameos Selfie in Ads. Tap on it. Step 6. A new screen will appear, presenting you with different options for who can see your cameos in Snapchat ads. Select the suitable option that aligns with your preferences and privacy needs. By following these steps, you can easily change who can see your cameos in Snapchat ads, giving you full control over your privacy and personalization. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.